In the last couple of days, I've done 3 property appraisals for out-of-town owners, and it got me thinking, is property really a hands-off investment? And how often should you actually be inspecting your properties? Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's been a little while since I did a video like this, so hopefully you enjoy this one and hopefully it's not too windy in the background. Like I was saying, in the last 3 days I've just done 3 appraisals for out-of-town investors that had their properties managed by other agencies here in Cairns. And to put it politely, the properties were just neglected. One property had paint peeling off the walls, the other had a broken down car sitting basically on its rims, and another one I'm pretty sure had active termites. You could see the trails up in the corners. Recommended to that vendor to go get a pest inspection at the very least. And it got me thinking, is property really a hands-off asset, or do you need to be keeping an eye on things? And the short answer of it is, if you do own property, it will deteriorate over time. And even with the best property managers, you do want to be inspecting that property at least every couple of years so that you can make up your own mind of what maintenance you need to schedule. And I truly believe a well-maintained property will always attract a premium rent and a premium tenant. So even if you do have to spend $2,000-3,000 every couple of years maintaining the property, painting the outside maybe every 5 years, painting the inside every 5 years, you're going to attract a premium tenant. And if you can get an extra $10 a week because of that, $10 times 52 weeks in the year, that's an extra $500 a year you'll have in your pocket. So even if you're spending $2,000 every 4 years on maintenance, you're making that back up in extra rent, and you're maintaining your asset and maintaining its worth. So if you do own property out of town, I really recommend inspecting it at least every couple of years. The other thing to keep an eye on is your property manager actually sending you routine inspection reports with photos. It's one thing just to receive a written inspection report, but one person's opinion of what a well-kept property is versus another's can be quite different. So make sure the routine inspection reports do have photos, as this will give you a true indication of how the property is being maintained. So I hope that little tip helps. Like I say, guys, maintain your properties, maintain inspections, and don't treat property as a hands-off investment. You really do need to be checking it out, maintaining it in order to maintain the worth of that asset. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Love bringing you new content, and look forward to talking to you soon.